Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is the Mi Notebook 14. This is not the Horizon Edition one. This one comes for 48,000 rupees and it comes with an i5 10th generation with an Nvidia GPU, that is the MX250 with 2 GB of video memory. So I guess this one offers the most value. I did not like the Horizon Edition that much because it has a lot of cons as compared to the pros. But this one right over here does offer a lot of value for the price of rupees 48,000. That's why I went ahead and bought it. Now let's go ahead and unbox this product. Before we do that, this one also comes with this webcam over here. So Xiaomi includes a webcam because nowadays webcams are very important because of the pandemic, and this is a good thing. Xiaomi is including the webcam right out of the box. You don't have to pay extra for it, and I kind of like that. So let me go ahead and quickly open up the webcam. This is actually a pretty small webcam. I was expecting it to be a little bigger, but that is not the case. So this is a pretty small webcam. Nothing exciting over here, a simple 720p webcam with a USB port. So I'm going to keep this aside for a moment. Now let's go ahead and unbox the laptop itself. Oh wait. So it turns out the box was upside down. This is how the box is. Now let me open it from the top. Yeah, here we go. Some styrofoam here. So there were two things inside the box. One is the laptop itself, which is right over here. I really like the minimal design of this laptop. There is no branding on the top whatsoever. So if you just look at the laptop, you won't even know that it's a Xiaomi laptop. I'm going to keep the laptop aside for a moment. Let's see what do we get here inside this little box over here. Yeah, here we go. So this is the 65 watt power brick that it comes along, and it's a pretty big brick according to 2020 standards. But it is 65 watts, supports fast charging, so that is a good thing. Now let's keep the power brick aside and let's get to the laptop itself. So as I said, no branding whatsoever, and I love that. Alright, this is the moment that you all have been waiting for. This is why you clicked on this video. Let's remove the plastic. Alright, this laptop is actually pretty heavy. Like, I was not expecting the laptop to be so heavy. The Mi Notebook Horizon Edition is lighter, but this is definitely heavier than the Horizon Edition. It does not feel like 1.35 grams, it's definitely more. But it is a compact laptop without any branding whatsoever, and that is excellent. Let's go ahead and open the laptop now. Alright. The keyboard is good enough, but it does not come with backlighting, and the trackpad is okay. I don't like the trackpad on this one. Now let me quickly go ahead and boot this laptop for the very first time. I don't think it has any juice, no battery whatsoever. Let me just keep pressing it. Nope, it does not have any battery. That is a bummer. I thought it would come with some battery, but turns out it has no juice inside it. So let's quickly go ahead and connect the power cable so that we have some power in this laptop. Alright, here we go. This is the Mi Notebook 14. Now this is the normal Mi Notebook 14 and not the Horizon Edition. Let me keep it aside for a moment. It it's very difficult to talk with the laptop in your hand. Anyway, this is the normal Mi Notebook 14, which comes with a Core i5 CPU, that is the 10th generation CPU. The exact number is 10210U. Along with that, you get 8GB of DDR4 RAM, a 512GB SATA SSD, and a dedicated graphics card, which is the MX250 by Nvidia, which has 2GB of video memory. Now on paper, these specifications are really good for the price of Rs 48,000. Now as I mentioned in the start of the video, this laptop offers more value than the 60,000 rupees Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition. And here is the reason why. So all across the Mi Notebook 14 lineup, you cannot upgrade the RAM, which is a big con. I can accept this fact for the 48,000 rupees variant, but I cannot accept this fact for the 60,000 rupees variant. The fact that you cannot expand your RAM is kind of a bummer, and that's where Xiaomi should have been a little smart. They should have included the option of adding more memory, because that is very important. Apart from that, the keyboard does not have backlighting all across the board. That is a very big con. It's such a basic thing, but it matters so much. So if you don't give backlighting to your keyboard in 2020, it's a big con for a lot of people. Now I generally do not use my laptop at night or in a very dark environment. That's why it's not an issue for me, but I can see how this can be a big issue for a lot of people out there. Also, you cannot expand the storage in this laptop. Now let's talk about who is this laptop for. So the Mi Notebook 14 is aimed at people who are looking for a laptop which will help them with their normal productivity tasks. For example, using web-based applications or using normal applications like Excel, PowerPoint, Word, or even some light photo editing on Lightroom and Photoshop. For all these people, the Mi Notebook 14 is a good choice. But for people who are looking for more power, for example, people who are looking for a gaming laptop, or video editors, or content creators, or anything that needs a more powerful GPU, you cannot buy this laptop because it has a very normal GPU, and that's why it is aimed at people who are looking for a productivity machine. So again, above 50,000 rupees, Xiaomi should have given a good GPU. The MX350, which comes in the Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition, is not a good GPU at the price of rupees 60,000. So there's one more con and one more reason why this laptop, the lower end, makes more sense. Alright, enough about this. Let's talk about the ports on this laptop. So you get a couple of USB 3.0 ports and a USB 2.0 port. These are full-size USB ports, and that is a very good thing. It also has a full-size HDMI port. If you want to connect this laptop to a projector or a TV, that option is available. Moving on, let's talk about that display. So this laptop comes with a 14-inch display with a resolution of Full HD. So it's 1920 by 1080. It's a matte display, and I love the display on this laptop. The colors are good, it gets bright enough. The viewing angles are okayish, like for a laptop, the viewing angles are good. And overall, I had a very good experience with the display. I've been using this laptop for more than a couple of hours, and the first thing that I liked about this laptop is that display. Now this is just my first impressions video, so I cannot talk about battery life and performance. I will be making a dedicated gaming review of this laptop, and I will also try to edit a full 4K video and upload that video to YouTube with this laptop. So stay tuned for those videos, and if you have any specific request about a video on this laptop, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. So I will test the performance and the battery life in the coming days, and stay tuned on the channel. So yeah, overall I have mixed feelings about this laptop. I am going to use it as my daily driver because I think it will be good for my needs. I don't need a video editing laptop because I edit all my videos on this iMac over here. This iMac being here helps me be focused. So whenever I want to edit a video, I have to come to the studio and edit that video. So there's one extra step involved. I have to get out of my comfort zone, and that kind of helps. That helps me to be on track and post videos regularly. So yeah, I'm gonna keep editing my videos on this iMac. I love that thing. So that's not going anywhere anytime soon. Anyway, that's been it. This was a very quick unboxing and impressions video of the Mi Notebook 14. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe below. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.